will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we mustn't be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, Dad. Come on. We'll talk about us. The bear stories are always so interesting like us.
Where is he? I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. I'm going to tell you the story of a porcupine.
It was a long, long time ago when the animals decided to stage a competition that would decide who was the strongest animal of them all. This is what happened. The hedgehog, who had trained all summer long for the competition, is at this very moment running toward the clearing where the event will take place.
Where is he? Where is he? What's he doing? Oh, Sir Tiger, wake up or we'll be late. Sir Tiger, wake up. Sir Tiger, wake up. Wake up, hurry, wake up, come on. The sleepyhead, he's gonna miss everything. Oh, I have an idea. His weak point is his nose.
Huh?
Oh, excuse me, but I really must wake you.
You poke my nose.
We have to be at the competition for the strongest of them all. And you're the strongest, so we better hurry and register right away.
Why, of course.
Woohoo! Hurry! Let's hurry! The contest is about to begin, and the winner is awarded a magnificent gold medal!
Out of my way.
On your marks, get set, pull!
Come on, pull harder! Come on, you can do it! Heave! Pull!
Be careful! Whoa!
That's it! Hooray!
Slowpoke, out of my way! I'm the strongest of them all!
Huh? I mean, look at those manners! Oh, my poor neck! Oh! Huh? You call that play?
And why are you complaining, huh? Keep it up and you are going to get it.
You're just here to spoil our competition.
What are you saying? What competition are you talking about? And you, Mr. Warthog, have you anything else to say?
Who, me? Oh, no. I'll do whatever you want. If you like, we'll start the competition.
And what do you have to say, Mr.
He
Bear?
says it's time to take 5 and smell the flowers. Let's go.
Hey, let go!
Oh, come on. You know you shouldn't argue with tough guys, so cool it.
Leave me alone, will you?
I can't believe it. Aren't you ashamed to give up so easily?
Not at all.
He's afraid.
Sir Tiger, I think you need to know that they give away a gold medal to whoever wins the competition.
A medal? What's the point of having a competition? I'm the strongest.
The nerve.
It's as much as mine.
Please allow me. Sir Tiger, with this you look so very majestic.
Listen, Tiger, don't you think you better compete like the others? You know, it doesn't look so good to take the medal without proving yourself.
What did you say? Who would dare measure up to me? Come on, I'm waiting. Who has the courage?
So much for the competition.
See, it's obvious. No point in having a competition since I'm the strongest.
Listen, since we all know that Sir Tiger is by far the strongest, you can all go home. The medal is ours. So long. See ya. Bye-bye.
Go on, disappear yourself.
Oh,
What a mess.
let's beat it before something terrible happens.
I thought I told you to scram. What are you waiting for?
Oh, come on, Bear. We better beat it right now.
Wait, don't leave yet.
Hedgehog, don't be foolish. You're much too small. Even the bear and the warthog gave in.
You should never give in to anyone just because they're stronger. Let me by.
Who is the poor unfortunate that's speaking so simple-mindedly?
I am.
Huh? Oh.
It's me, Hedgehog.
Aha!
We must compete against one another to see which one will come out the victor. Anyway, enough fancy talk. Let's see how good you are.
Did I hear you right? You dare defy me?
You stop that!
I can't believe it. A little pipsqueak like you challenging me, the tiger. How impertinent. I'll squish you like a flea, but you can always dream, right? Wait till I get a hold of you.
You really don't know me. That's your misfortune.
We have to do something to stop this massacre. You go on, Bear.
Drop it, Hedgehog. The tiger's really too strong for us.
No. You beat it.
Oh, I beg of you. You've been pushing Sir Tiger too far. You should ask him to forgive you.
What? I should ask him to forgive me? Never!
Never.
Hey, did you hear that? Go ahead. Squish him like a little lamb. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I will crush
With just
you.
one little twist of his foot. You're history.
Hey, Rabbit. You're the referee. You have to stop them.
You asked for it, you pathetic. My paw! The traitor!
Sire, look what that miserable pipsqueak has done to you. You're bleeding a lot.
Keep quiet! Now I'm mad. Miserable creature, you!
I still think Hedgehog is in way over his head. He's no match for the tiger.
Apologize right now or else. I'm afraid you're running out of luck.
Come on. You're not afraid of a small hedgehog now, or are you?
You're pretty daring for a runt. This time you've gone too far. I know. I don't. Get this thing off of me.
Not bad for a runt, huh?
Oh, my paws!
I can't believe it's Hedgehog.
Get off my nose, will you?
Not until you ask me to forgive you, you big clown.
It looks like that bully of a tiger finally met his master. All summer long, Hedgehog faithfully practiced his skills. Hooray! Hooray!
Could you come down so we can talk about it, you and I? Now?
What's to talk about? It's who's gonna outlast who.
Help me, Fox! Help! Ah! No! No! Fox! Help!
Come on, you're so big and strong, you don't need my help.
Here, take that and this, that and this. Are you going to keep bullying everybody around?
Oh, please, sir, give me another chance. I promise I'll be good from now on. I beg of you.
Okay. But if I ever catch you taking advantage of others and terrorizing them, then I will never forgive you.
Yes, understood. I promise never again, okay?
You better. Understand?
Oh, my poor nose. Oh! 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 Huh? Safe at last. The hedgehog! May I help you, sir? Master Hedgehog!
Hey, hurry, come and
Master
see
Hedgehog.
this! Quick,
You're
quick!
the younger brother of the avenging hedgehog. He's forgiven me. Have you nothing to say? I guess you're upset because of the gold medal, right? I'll give it back to you. Here, please, take it. Sir.
He's talking to a chestnut.
Chestnut.
Look out, you guys! Here comes that fox!
My Master Hedgehog, answer me, please.
Sir Tiger, what are you doing there on your knees? You're begging forgiveness from a chestnut.
Shh! Quiet, you ignoramus. It's Mr. Hedgehog's younger brother,
out
you
of
know.
your...
Quiet!
Wait
If you get him mad, he'll jump on
Will
my
you
nose.
listen? It's not a hedgehog. It's just a chestnut.
Oh, no, don't. Please, don't. Oh, my Mr. Hedgehog, it wasn't me.
See? There's nothing to be afraid of. They're only chestnuts.
Little hedgehogs. Ah, they're multiplying. Ah, hedgehogs, little hedgehogs. Lots and lots of little hedgehogs. Ouch, ouch, oh, help. Oh, no, somebody help.
Oh, no, he's lost it completely.
Little hedgehogs, lots and lots and lots of little hedgehogs.
It's Hedgehog, he's calling us! Let's go, guys! The tiger who boasted about being the fiercest one is no more than just a scaredy cat.
It turns out that the little hedgehog is really the strongest.
Over here!
Hedgehog! You're the winner!
No matter how small you are, all it takes is the courage to use the means you have to overcome any adversity, no matter how hard or how difficult it may seem.
2, 3, hooray!
Look at all those little chicks. Oh, it's that cat again. And then she's just gonna sit there for hours. Great, now I'm stuck in here. Oh, I hate being stuck in small places. I can't stand that meowing.
Meow. Oh, meow. Hey, Rat, I'm gonna catch you yet. Here, kitty kitty.
Am I gonna have a feast today? Those chicks have grown to be nice and plump. The cat isn't around. Now's my chance. Those chicks have grown. This place is too small. Oh. Ow. Boy. I got it. The chicks should fit now. Whoa! Come on with me! You can't catch me. I got a chicken. You can't catch me. Uh-oh.
How nice of you to have made your burrow larger. It suits me just fine.
Ow! Ow! Oh, I give up! I give up!
The hedgehog. How a hedgehog is classified in the animal kingdom. Hedgehogs belong to the Arenacetus family and to the Insectivorous order. They're quite small, and their upper body is covered with spines. Where do they live? Hedgehogs are found all over Europe and in Central and Northern Asia, in woods, fields, meadows, and gardens. How do they behave? Hedgehogs usually come out only at night. They build their dens in sheltered places using moss, grass, and leaves. How do they move? They're slow animals and tend to move in small hops. What do they eat? The hedgehog's staple diet is insects, but they also enjoy earthworms, snails, frogs, snakes, eggs, and fruit. How do they defend themselves? When in danger, hedgehogs roll into a ball and straighten their spines, pointing them in all directions. Hedgehogs are very resistant to venom, and they're one of the few animals which will attack poisonous snakes and often kill them. How do they relate to people? Unfortunately, hedgehogs and people don't get along very well, because in many parts of the world, hedgehog meat is considered a gourmet delight. Do they live in the city? Hedgehogs have learned to adapt to urban areas, so they can sometimes be found in parks and gardens.
Well, have you all learned a lesson? The moral of the story is that strong bullies do not always have their own way in life. Oh, look who's coming!